I just realized you you can see my Halloween decorations. This is going to give the date of this video away. So there's not an actual zombie hanging back there. It just is Halloween. I'm doing this before Halloween. I'm filming this before Halloween. Anyway, guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Amanda. I go by HedonistSeller on all platforms, which will be linked down below. I'm going to go ahead and get into this video because I am too excited. If you saw my last ThredUp shoes unboxing, you would have seen that it was from Suwanee, Georgia, which I've always complained that the clothes box, which I live in Georgia, so a lot of the boxes I get come from Suwanee, Georgia. And I always complain that they're not good, but I typically have gotten like clothes and designer stuff, you know, designer boxes from there, and they've all been bad. So the last time I got a shoe box, and it was from Suwanee, Georgia, I was like not anticipating anything good. I had such low expectations, and it was probably one of the best boxes I've ever gotten from ThredUp. So I ordered another one immediately, of course. Another 15 pairs of shoes, and they again came from Suwanee, Georgia. So I want to know if the last box was a fluke or if like the shoe boxes are a hidden gem of Suwanee, Georgia. It just was delivered. I don't have any makeup on. I didn't get ready to film a video, but I have to do it on camera and I have to open this box. So here we are. Okay, so 15 pairs of shoes, Suwanee, Georgia, ThredUp. I think the cost ends up being like $5.50, all that good stuff. I'm excited. Yeah, yes, because the boxes are $80 and they're free shipping because they're over $70 for ThredUp. So let's do it. I'm pretty sure I rushed that beginning because I'm too excited. I have to see. It's going to be all crap. Okay, let's dig in. Sorry. I'm excited. Okay, right off the... Yes! It's teaks. I have not ever seen teaks in person. And they're rose gold. Is that good? A lot of rose gold things are really good. So yeah, straight off the bat, teaks. Oh my God, I'm so excited. Don't they fold? Yeah. I'm sorry, I don't even own, I've literally never seen teaks in person. What size are these? These are a 9. Okay, Suwanee, Georgia, I see you with your shoes. Next up is a pair of Uggs. And why is everything like in extremely good condition from Suwanee, Georgia? Like, do Georgians not wear their shoes? We're barefoot out here in the boons. But anyway, these are a pair of Ugg sneakers. And they are a size something. Oh, here. They're a size... Nope. One more time. They're a size 10. All right. Cool. Okay. All right. This is Wild Diva. Nothing exciting. So there's one bad one. All right. These are large. They look like they're from Nordstrom. They have the sticker on the bottom. Cecina. Oh, Cecina is just a Nordstrom house brand. Are these a 10 or a larger size? These are a 12. These are a 12 ladies. I'll go ahead and sell those because those are a larger size. Okay, this is interesting. Sorry, I've already moved ahead. But Dana Davis. Never heard of it. Or Donna Davis. But it's made in Italy, which is usually a good sign. It is just a little peep toe leather heel. It does have the leather soles. So they could be good. I'll look it up. Maybe I'll put some comps on the screen if I remember. These look nice. These are those, Geox, Respera. I know that these are expensive shoes. I've gotten a lot of these lately. Are these green? No, they're black. They're little black shoes. These would be good for work. What size are these? I'm sorry, I'm just like so excited. I cannot believe the shoes from this place. I cannot believe the shoes from Suwanee, Georgia are this good. I'm so excited about it. Where is the size? That might be why they didn't keep these. Where is the size? my other shoes that I've gotten from there, they've been in like really small print somewhere. Ugh, great. I don't see them. It's like the light is right in my face, so I don't know. I could just be missing it. I don't know what size these are yet, but another expensive shoe, so another good one. Ooh, look at these almost brand new looking Birkenstocks. You know, for Birkenstocks anyway. These are a size 39. Wow, these are actually really good condition for Birkenstocks. There's some like watermarks right there, but the footbeds are like, that's clean for Birkenstocks. Like, what did this person do? Only wear them twice? All right, here's some pink shoes. These are a pair of sorry, I cheated. I looked at the name. These are a pair of Steve Madden. They are a size 9. Nothing crazy, but they are cute. Little suede pink. These are the ones I just saw. These are a pair of Zara sandals. These are really cute Zara sandals. Size 38. Can these fit me? Maybe. I like these. These are cute. Okay, pair of boots. What boot are you? Oh, it's Clark's. Okay, well, I sell Clark's. Pair of Clark boots. You know, not mad about it. I'm just really excited about the teaks. All right. All right. Okay. So, here we've got a pair of Nike Frees. I don't know sneakers. I'm terrible at them. They're like a neon pink. They're cute. What size are these? They're all in really good condition. That's what really surprises me is like, did these people not wear their shoes? Hey, they're my size. And I like these neon pink. I'll look them up though. All right, then we have a pair of pink Converse. Somebody like pink. These are probably size 9 if they're with the other shoes. Nope. Well, woman's 10. So, okay. Yeah. So far, only one pair of shoes I wouldn't sell. I mean, since all of the others are really good, I might rethink the Cicina ones and not sell them because I don't really like selling that brand. All right. Circus by Sam Edelman, which is just like a diffusion line of Sam Edelman. I don't know what size. I see like a 10. No, they're an 8. Okay. Then we have a pair of Coach. I actually do really well with Coach shoes, randomly. These are the Barnett size 7. All right, last pair is a really cute pair of Dolce Vita, and this is not the Target brand. This is the actual Dolce Vita. They have a circular heel, block heel, leather bottoms, and they're like an animal print, like an acetate. I don't know. Is that what you call that? I don't know. They're really cute. They don't look like they have a size, which is unfortunate. I don't like that. Yeah, of course we're on the sticker that is now gone. Oh well. They look like they could fit me though. Maybe that's a good judge. I'm thinking 8. Yeah, they're a little big, so maybe an 8. Anyway, guys, I mean, that was good. I mean, we started off with a bang and ended kind of in a fizzle, but they were still all really good. I mean, there's pretty much only one pair of shoes that I would not take the time at all to list, and then just another pair that, I'm a little iffy about. But that is great. 13 out of 15. Those are good. And, first time seeing tees in person. Okay, should I order another one? See if it comes from Swan. I don't need the inventory, but I'm just like curious. Can I get a pair of Rothy's next? Let's order it. Let's order it and see if I get a pair of Rothy's from Swanee, Georgia. I have to do it. Okay, if they're available, I'm going to go and order it just to see if I can get a pair of Rothy's, because I have yet to get a pair of Rothy's. I have seen Rothy's in person because I bought a pair for myself but then sold them because I didn't wear them enough. All right, guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope you enjoyed this journey of ThredUp Swanee, Georgia shoes. If you guys want to see another box and you want to see if I get a pair of Rothy's, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and go ahead and hit that bell notification so you know to come back and see more of my videos. And please give me a thumbs up if you enjoyed this video. It helps me out here on YouTube. But otherwise, guys, I hope you are having a good sales week, and I'll see you next time. Bye.